In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your CV from LinkedIn using the mobile app. This is a handy skill that can be useful when you want to keep your resume up to date on multiple platforms or simply have a copy saved locally on your device. So let's dive right in. To get started, open your LinkedIn mobile app on your device. Once the app is up and running, look for your profile icon on the main screen. This is usually found in the top left or right corner, depending on the version of the app you have. Go ahead and tap on your profile icon. After you've accessed your profile, the next step is to navigate to the settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the profile screen until you find the option labeled Settings. Tap on it to proceed. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you'll want to locate the Data Privacy section. It's important to know that LinkedIn takes your data privacy seriously, so this section is where you can manage various aspects of your personal data on the platform. Within data privacy, look for the Job Seeking Preferences subsection. Once you've found it, go ahead and tap on Job Application Settings. You might need to wait a moment as the screen loads. This is where LinkedIn stores the resumes you've uploaded while applying for jobs on the platform. Take a good look at the list to find the resume you wish to download. Next to your selected resume, you'll notice 3 horizontal dots on the right side. This icon signifies additional options related to your resume. Go ahead and tap the 3 dots. A menu will appear, and from the list of options, select Download. This action initiates the download process, and shortly thereafter, you should see a notification indicating that the download has begun. Once it's complete, your resume will be saved to your device's default download location, ready to be accessed anytime you need it. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded your CV from LinkedIn using the mobile app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks, and hit the bell icon so you get notified of all our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.